Hello everyone, welcome. So today we will discuss the chapter Plant Kingdom from class 11 CBSE NCERT. So we have already known that in biological classifications, that is in your previous chapter, that a 5 kingdom classification was proposed by Whittaker. So this 5 kingdom classifications had Monera, Protista, Fungi, Animalia and Plantae. Now when we come to the plant kingdom, we see there are various kinds of plants which are there. Okay, so they can be classified and we place them in the same kingdom. So what happens is we have the blue green algae. They are algae, but they are like they are cyanobacteria. So here we will describe this particular plant kingdom, and they will be classified as algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Now the point is, how do we classify them? What is the way that we classify this? How do we classify this particular kingdom, and what is the way that we classify? So there are different modes of classification. We have artificial mode of classification. We have so in this artificial mode of classification, they are basically classified based on one or few external morphological characteristics, which may not have any phylogenetic significance. So that is how they are being classified in artificially. Okay, so now when coming to artificial mode of classification, the classification can be based on characters such as habit, color, number and shape of leaves, etc. So all the morphological characteristics are taken care of. Then we have the natural system of classification. So what is the natural system of classification? Natural system of classification is based on overall morphology and the anatomical characteristics, which include natural relationship among the organisms. So initially it used the overall morphological similarities, but gradually it got refined to use the anatomy, embryology, ultrastructure, etc. Okay, so that is when we say it is a natural classification system that is taken care of. So the artificial system give equal weightage to vegetative and sexual characteristics, and this is not acceptable since we know that the vegetative characters are more easily affected by the environment. So in natural classification system it was developed, and this natural classification system, it emphasized on the structures, anatomy, then embryology, etc. And this system of classification was given by George Bentham and Joseph Dalton. Okay, then we have the phylogenetic mode of classification. So they have phylogenetic system of classification. So phylogenetic system of classification, phylogeny is evolution. So this talks about the evolutionary descent which is there of a group of organisms. So in this system, the organisms belonging to some taxa are believed to have some ancestry and may be represented in a family tree. And this family tree, when we represent any family tree and we represent them in the form of a tree, we call it as cladogram. So that is cladogram. So that is the name given to the tree representation of the ancestor or the family descendants. Okay, so that is phylogenetic system of representation. Now so there are fossils which which are going to have a supporting evidence whether they belong to the same family or not. Okay, now there is a number taxonomy which is there, which is now easily carried out using computers is based on all the observable characteristics. So the numbers and codes are assigned to all the characteristics, and the data are then processed. In this way, each characters are given the importance, and at the same time hundreds of characteristics are considered. Okay, so next we have something called as cytotaxonomy. Cytotaxonomy is what? That is based on the cytological informations like chromosome number, structure. Cyto is cell. So based on the cell information like chromosome number, structure, behavior, so all these things. So cytotaxonomy that uses chemical constituents of the plants to resolve the confusion, and also used by taxonomists these days. So that is about the classification, how we go ahead in the plant kingdom. Thank you.